What it do, man? You already know who it is, man. Mr. Made for TV, aka Mr. iPad Chain, aka Made for TV Gecko. Oh, easy, baby. Know what I'm talking about? Bitcoin, what's the deal? Pickle. You know what I'm saying? Look at here, man. I had some messages. People were saying, yeah, it's down. Everything is down. I know the fucking crypto market done lost fucking $400 billion or $200 billion or some crazy shit, but it doesn't matter, because it's all gonna bounce back. And I know y'all see this screen and it says Walmart here. I'm about to show y'all some shit, man. Y'all gotta fucking, especially how y'all looking at Bitcoin and all these cryptocurrencies as stocks anyway, because everybody's trying to get fucking rich, put money in and see how much they can get out or whatever. I lined up three of the biggest like names as far as that we've all heard of, and there's no straight shot to the moon on any of them. So why the fuck would Bitcoin go straight to the moon? There's no ups and downs. I mean, what the fuck, man? Look, this is Walmart stock chart. Their max. So this is from 1980 to 2017 or 18, however far past 15 it's showing. Look, this is how pretty much all big companies, you have to start some fucking where. And this looks like a fucking Bitcoin chart. It started so low for all those years or whatever, then it boom, 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 and then it goes down and up, down and up, down and up. And these are the biggest companies. They're at their highest point right now, and they're probably like in a dip maybe as far as stock goes. Look at the plummet on this shit. Look at that. This is major money being lost right here. And you know how many people kept selling, and then the people who were fucking smart and probably got in way back here somewhere, they already knew. Like, Walmart is not going. Where the fuck is it going? Just chill the fuck out, man. You want to make $1 million fucking in one day? It's not gonna happen. If you got a regular job, how long would it take you to make a fucking $1 million? So hold this shit for some months or wherever. Real traders. I consider myself a real trader as we go through other charts here. I think the majority of people who've been in Bitcoin for years, like myself, and trade. When I say trade, I don't mean trading Bitcoin for cash and back and forth. When the price drops now, let me take some more of my cash and buy some more Bitcoin type shit. I mean, you could do that, I guess. And it's a lot of people who do that. And I would consider them just only Bitcoin, to USD trader. I don't know what term I would give it. I'll think of it soon. But when I say crypto trader or Bitcoin trader, I mean trading Bitcoin for altcoins. So the Bitcoin price really doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? Once I put my money back into Bitcoin, hopefully it's cheaper. Now I can get more for, the price or whatever. But I'm trading altcoins right. My money is in altcoins right now. When I trade it back, it's going to be back in Bitcoin. But my money is in altcoins. I'm making money on altcoins right now. Who give a fuck about what Bitcoin is doing? Y'all still worried about Bitcoin because y'all saw all over the fucking news. Bitcoin, and I should have took like little snippets of these videos that I've been uploading for the last couple months and just telling. If you just go back and watch some of my video, listen to the shit I'm saying. I said last year in November that the Bitcoin price this year would be 12.5. And then before the year had went out last year, it went up to 15, 20. And I even said it in the video. It's going to go up to 14, 15. And I said it's going to drop back down. And you motherfuckers going to get scared because you don't know shit about this. Bitcoin has plenty of times dropped half, 50%, 60%. And this is how this shit works. You just don't know. But look at fucking Walmart. It started way down here, just like Bitcoin started way at their lows, and it goes up, it goes down. People are selling. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. They're putting money in Walmart and they didn't know. Oh, it's dropping. So now you're just losing money. Hold this. If you'd have held it from 2000 to here, but you know how many people sold in these dips? Let's go to another one. Apple. This is fucking Apple. Is that a straight shot to the moon? And look how much money Apple is worth. People who bought Apple back here are fucking living it up right now. They're living it up. And if I was to zoom in like even closer, even though this looks like it's going straight up, it's dips in that shit too. It's always. Look at this shit. Look, it's way up. Look at this crash. Boom. Motherfuckers was scared to death right here. They start dumping, and then it started to come back a little bit. You had a little bit of bulls come in and start buying up a little shit. Then it boom, motherfucker, man, it ain't going high enough. Fuck that. They start dumping again. Look, this is Apple we're talking about. Look at this. Look at the dumps. Look at the fuck dump. Look at the dump. And then but the trend is boom. It's rising. It's gonna rise. Let's go to another one. This is fucking Amazon. Oh my God. Look at the spike. Look at the fucking spike. If you had it back here, look at these motherfuckers had it. And then they started to sell. No, dump. And then it boom on your motherfucking ass. And then you got some more dumps. Like I said, if I zoom in here, even on this shit that looks, it's never going straight up. I don't give a fuck what it looks like on this fucking map or this chart. If you zoom in closer, it's fucking dips all in that all the way up, all the way up. So what the fuck, man? Where's Bitcoin? Now let's go to fucking Bitcoin and look at fucking Bitcoin. Man, y'all just, y'all are like ill. That's what I can't even, ill. All this shit, y'all just ill. You just don't get it. Ill. You don't understand. Ill. I hate motherfuckers like you. I hate having to explain this shit. Ill. You're gross. Look at you. You're gross. That's what you are. You're French. You're garbage. You're garbage. I'm just joking, but still, look at the fucking thing. What is this? This is, look. What does that not look like? Oh my God, does that look like Walmart to me? To you? If I zoom in here, I bet that long ass line is for years just straight before it starts to go up. Amazon, but this line is pretty much the same. I mean, god damn, look at fucking Walmart. Oh my God. Look at Bitcoin. Oh my God. It goes up. It goes down. If I was to zoom in further here and all this type of words, this is 17. It's somewhere back here. I remember when I first got into Bitcoin, it was like a couple $100, maybe $300 and something on my first Bitcoin video ever, 300 and something bucks. I got into it, and I remember maybe a couple weeks later, Bitcoin had by half. I mean, it was like $130 something or some shit, $170 or something real. I was like, damn, what the fuck? And people had sent me Bitcoins. I had a bunch of fucking Bitcoins at one time. I'm like, I'm serious. I had a lot of fucking Bitcoins. Way back then, I had over 10,000 in Bitcoins. And when Bitcoin was going for $100 and something, so now you see how many fucking Bitcoins you see? And I just, at that time, I didn't know. So me just getting into the crypto world, people sending me Bitcoins like a motherfucker. And then I see the price drop. I'm like, man, they send me all this free fucking money I can buy shit with, and it's dropping. Man, I got to buy some shit. So I just started buying all kind of shit from fucking overstock.com, just spending thousands. And today, like, I'm like, what the fuck? I'm glad I learned how to trade in between that time and get my money up. But people, they gave me fucking 100 Bitcoins. You know what I'm saying? 50, 60, 70, 80 Bitcoins back in the day. Like, I had fucking 100 Bitcoins. But I didn't know. So I sold this shit. But I learned how to trade. And I'm here where I'm at today. I mean, I trade, like I say, in these altcoins. I have 10,000 over here, 20,000 over here, 40,000 over here. I mean, I just be fucking chunking money this place, that place. But it's all going to come back to Bitcoin. You know, the shit these charts and shit are not hard for me to understand anymore. I understand the market now. I know when to get into certain coins. I know when to get out of certain coins. I know how to set my fucking limits. I rarely out of 100%. This is probably unfucking heard of, because I see a bunch of people who make crypto videos or whatever, trading videos, and they will say maybe 60, 70% of the time they're right or some shit like that. I'm like fucking 97. Like, what the fuck? I don't take losses. Rarely. It's been so long since I took a fucking loss, because like I say, I study these charts. I look into the coins and shit before I put my fucking money in it. I know I'm not just about to dump some money in a fucking coin when it's at their all-time fucking high. And man, you have to pay attention to what the fuck is going on. And it's not that you can't put money into a coin at its all-time high. It's just that's not smart. You can do it, and sometimes you win. That's when you got to fucking work the percentages. But when I put money into a coin, majority of the time, the coins that I have money in now, this whole fucking market, man, has dropped like maybe $200 billion. And it's not all just came straight from fucking Bitcoin, or Bitcoin would have been over $400 billion. So that money's coming from altcoins also. All these other fucking coins are losing or fucking going dropping. Coins I have money in drop fucking 40%, 50%, 60 fucking percent. But did I take my money out? Fuck no. For one, I'm still in the profit. I don't give it dropped 40, 50, 60%, and I'm still in the profit because my money was 5, 6, 7 times over. You know what I'm saying? I remember this one coin, C-Core that I was talking about. I put 6,000 into C-Core, and the shit fucking shot up in less than a week. 6 days, I made $50,000. I didn't even take the money out. I probably should have took some out, but I didn't. I didn't take none of the money out. Now the shit dropped fucking 60%. Even if it dropped 50% from that 50,000, that's still $25,000. I only paid 6,000 for the shit. I'm not taking no losses. And so even now as I'm holding, I set a limit. If the price reaches here, sell my fucking C-Core, sell my coins, not just C-Core, any coin or coin I have money into. Sell it. I'm not going to sell it for less than what I paid for this shit. And even at times, I've waited. I've let coins dip past what I've paid for them and shit like that. But at the same time, I still know that, okay, it's majority of the time, to be honest, when a coin goes lower than what I paid for it, I buy more of the shit. I buy more. This is what I do. I don't give a fuck if it goes to zero. I'm comfortable with risking all this shit. I don't care. The money was given to me from the jump. I'm going to do a documentary about this shit because I think I'm the only. I don't even want to say that, but since I've been uploading Bitcoin videos for all these years, this video is going on longer than I thought. I'm sorry for talking so fucking much, but I really want to show these charts. And like I was saying, I'm gonna do a fucking documentary about when I first learned about Bitcoin to me today. I have yet to see. I see a bunch of Bitcoin millionaires and shit like that, but a lot of them had a little money before, or they got money, they borrowed money from somebody and invested in Bitcoin years and years ago, whatever, at the beginning type shit. That's not me. I never, ever, not ever put one physical cent into cryptocurrency. Never, ever. Not one single penny. Not a dollar. Nothing. Everything that I have today was given to me one Satoshi at a time, basically, from my videos on YouTube. People tipped me through YouTube. People tipped me through Twitter. People tipped me through Reddit years and years ago in Bitcoin. Bitcoin was cheap at that time, so those Bitcoin added up. You see what I'm saying? I never actually ever put any of my own money into this shit. And to get where I'm at, to get out of it, what I'm getting is amazing. This is a story that has to be put out there. A documentary has to be done. It's not just the white motherfucker across the country, like I say, who borrowed $1 million from his people. They put the bread in, and know what I'm saying? Now he doing his thing. I did my thing with nothing. Nathan, Nathaniel, Thaddeus, Ethan. You see what I'm saying? It was all given to me, so I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? That's why I make these videos, because I feel I have to give back, teach people how they can make money. Also, I can't keep the information because all of it was given to me in the first place. I owe it to y'all, even though you right now are watching this or listening to this might probably wasn't any one of the ones who tipped me years and years ago, but you're still part of the community now, so I'm going to teach every and anything I know. I don't give a fuck if I had $100 million. I'm still going to show you how to trade and all this type of shit, because this is what got me here. So, I will be trying to purchase a new Rolls Royce soon. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get this Rolls Royce. If I get it, of course you will see it. I'm going to put a video up like always. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't seen the Bentley, go check out the Bentley. It's pretty nice. You know what I'm talking about? Thank you, Bitcoin. Appreciate you. You know what I'm talking about? But this video, like I said, is longer than I wanted it to go. But you see the charts. This is Apple. It's never a straight shot. It's always a million fucking dips. Amazon, same fucking shit. So Walmart, man, this looks so much like Bitcoin. And Walmart is worth so fucking much. It's crazy. But, okay, Bitcoin, man, we're there, man. We're there. We're there, buddy. I shall. Hello. You know what I'm talking about?